I'm gonna go there because this guy will just block it up again. We've got zero shits about spatial awareness for two-wheelers.
No looking at me, you cocksucker.
I beg your pardon?
You got me on camera?
Yeah.
Watch our grass, mate. You're a f***ing little snake. You are, man. Why are you
Why are you
going
so
out
angry?
doing other people's jobs? Why can't you just
Why are you
stick
so
to your own
angry?
job?
Can't you not
Because
grow
you're a
up and
snitch,
behave
mate.
like
You're
an adult?
grass. You're f***ing grass, mate. Snitch. You didn't catch me on my phone, did I? Did ya?
I wasn't even looking at
Huh?
you.
Yeah, alright, you f***ing little grass. I bet you won't put that on YouTube, will you?
I absolutely will.
You little snitch. Good, put it on there.
You cry more, mate.
Grass.
You're an immature little
You're
brat.
Grass, yeah?
You're an immature little brat.
Yeah.
Driving at me too. You got the emotional maturity of a toddler. Don't know why people got to behave like that. He's obviously angry because he's one of these who break the law like that. It's no skin off my nose. I mean, I really don't care about that behavior. I'm not going to lose an ounce of sleep over it. Yeah, we're not going to go near him. It's angry and aggressive. You get stuck in the traffic, mate.